Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Epic Games' missing entitlement error. Now, you need to understand what this means. It simply means that the Epic Games launcher is failing to verify that your account has the legal right or license to play a specific game. The first thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and log out and log back into your account, which should definitely fix your problem. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and open your library, and then you want to simply go ahead and try to launch your game from here, or you could also click on the triple dot and click on the verify game file section. Once you've done that and it still doesn't work, you want to try to clear the web cache. Press Windows plus R and then simply type in %localappdata % and click on OK. This is where you want to simply go ahead and open Epic Games and Epic Games launcher folders and delete everything that is inside of them, and that should go ahead and solve your problem. If not, then you might need to uninstall and reinstall the game. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.